I'm at Midland Bay Landing at about 4:33 p.m. and the turnout to watch the Snowbirds in Midland is enormously exciting. People are gently spaced along the concrete shoreline here.
That would be fun, isn't it?
I'm lucky I live within walking distance of Midland Bay Landing, so I came over with my lawn chair. And of course we're right on beautiful Georgian Bay, and soon the skies will be alight with the wonderful snowbirds, but lots and lots of people. I just wanted to give you a sense of how many people have come out, people of all ages, to see this wonderful air show that our town is about to be treated to. And oh, look at that, picnics. Wonderful. We've got folks sitting over here. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Sitting on the grass. This area has a few folks nestled. The town of Midland has a tent set up over here. Hi. Oh, I love this picnic blanket on the bench. It's just so nice. I wonder what these puppies will think of the show. Again, lucky I didn't have to drive over here, so I didn't have to hunt for a parking spot. I'm glad emergency crews are here in case somebody feels a little dizzy. And of course, people are nestled on this beautiful grass side to watch the show as well. It's going to be a really great collective experience. I'm looking forward to it. Midland, thanks for bringing this show to Midland.